Morning, kids. Let's start our class today with
the men tap their toes and they tip their hats. Those times for the worldly.
We're in the turning room at Medalta Potteries, which is currently a National Historic Site and a Provincial Historic Site. Originally this room was part of a factory which started in 1912 and went through right until 1955. Since that time, the Friends of Medalta Society have been working to bring it back as a working, living museum.
My weary eyes are traveling so. Oh, carry me home on that sweet red water.
We started having concerts here when we thought, we really need more live music in Medicine Hat.
We're in a unique situation where pottery is very resilient, and the music actually bounces off things and gives you wonderful opportunity for sounds you've never heard before.
This year we tried the outdoor concert, we tried the throat singing workshops in the kilns. This year we had 23 concerts. There was something happening for the whole week. One of our main mandates is to help young singer-songwriters and get in front of an audience. The number of talented musicians coming out, I think that's a sign of our success.
The city has grown tremendously as an artist community. People are coming back to Medicine Hat. It's a very welcoming town from that standpoint.
Tongue on the Post is one of our signature events that really shows a lot about what Medicine Hat has to offer. It provides that sense of community and how we're able to bring that up-close experience to everybody.